Another mixed day in the precious metals market. Silver made a new high, but gold and the miners didn't do very well today and they slumped lower. We'll take a look here at the gold chart. This is the hourly chart, and we had that false breakout before that little maybe cup and handle pattern. And now we've taken out this horizontal line and we're trading close to this downward sloping trend line. And that level is around 3309. That's what we're trading at now. And we're very close to that downward sloping trend line. And the next downward target would be this low here, so 3273. And we might bounce back up and retest that 3332 horizontal level on the upside. And here's the chart for silver. So we made a new high, but we do have that divergence forming on the hourly chart. MACD making lower highs while the price makes higher highs. So we could make another higher high here on Monday, forming another divergence, and then possibly retesting this low, or the second downward support level would be this old high here at 34.80 for silver. And looking at the gold miners, they had a bit of a rough day. We broke down from this double top, and so the breakdown point is right here at this level. And we could bounce back up to retest that, and then maybe come down and fill this gap and retest these highs here as well, this horizontal line. And you can see here with GDX, some of these gaps don't get filled at the start of the rally. But as the rally goes on, you can see there's a little gap here that gets filled, and then another gap here that pretty much gets filled. And so there's a good chance that these highs get retested and this gap pretty much gets filled at the same time. That's the gap up from the Ukrainian drone attack that caused that gap up in that run in gold that we had on Monday. So looking a little bit bearish here before, but we might get a bounce back up to retest that downward point of that now confirmed double top. And so those levels are for the bottom horizontal line are around 50.76 and then around 52.38 for this bottom here to get retested. And I did buy some shares in Banyan Gold today for 22 cents. Well-managed company. They have a resource estimate, 7 million ounces of gold in the Yukon, and they are doing a 30,000 meter drill program that has already kicked off, and they're waiting for assays on their initial drill holes. And just trading at a $86 million market cap, so very cheap stock for 7 million ounces. Very well run company as well. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. None of this is financial advice. Please do your own research, and we'll see you in the next one.